32 points in regulation. On the road, some big numbers, 48 assists, massive with the transitions.
See how they defend this Indiana team as Nembhard got to his spot on the fadeaway. All those points, everybody scored points against Washington. 62 on the road. J-Dub floats it up. Hard shot! It's Dort from the outside.
On the defense, he calling on the offense. Man, you gotta give him some respect for that too.
Halliburton, and he knew that one was going down. He started the back pedal as soon as he made the ball rebound off the top of it. Every time he comes off the bench, and Gil Lawrence from the outside, that's a high arc. Looking for his first goal. Looking for his offense to continue to score. As Kenrich splashes down that three. Comes on.
Gets that rebound. Sacrifice his body.
And he moves the three-point shot over 40%, and he continues to be high. Halliburton six. Threes right now. Back to three. So far, top fadeaway left. J-Dub on the floor, attacking Jackson off balance. Still somehow able to get the spin.
Here the guard, Siakam, a terrific scorer and player in this league.
Limited shot clock.
Palagi mong isipin na nandito lang ako. Handa kang ipaglaban kahit na ikapahama ko para sa'yo. Kasi
ikaw ang naging dahilan, ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit pinaghuhugutan at pinagkukunan ang lakas ng loob. Katablang paninindigan na kahit na nangyayari, magsisibin mo sa ligan. Di kapag ligtas mo ako, ano mang oras kailanganin mo ay ito. Wala na pwede pang iba makakapanakit sa'yo. Isang tawag mo lang nandiyan agad ako, asahan mo. Prinsesa ka para sa'kin, ako'y alipin superhero na magiging. Ako din na magiging makapit sa lahat na nalakinig. Makasunod na kapasig sa'yo saan ka man makarating.
Nice behind Caruso. Work on that shot too. Close range and the long stride of Eastman.
basta tawagin mo lang ang pangalan ko. Tawagin mo ako kapag kailangan mo. Sa oras na mas makakalagayan mo. Parating na ako, pagkatakbo dito lang ako habang nandyan ka. Di kasi ako papayag masaktan ka. Kung pwede lang na araw-araw bantayan ka. Para kung aalis ka man ay masamahan ka. Lakad mo, wag ka nang mangamba. Andito lang ako, ikaw ay kumalma. Kasama mo ako, wag kang makaranta. Yayakapin kita kapag kinakabahan ka. Hindi ko kaya
defense really locked in.
ano mang mangyari ay palalaban kita.
Jay turns the corner, drops inside. Mismatch and the Pacers take advantage. Nice recognition by Nembhard. Halliburton, that's an ninja move.
That's what the Pacers want to do.
And Halliburton again.